Hey everybody, Chris here from O'Reilly Auto Parts to show you how to take scuffs out of your clear coat. But before I get into that, I want to give you the opportunity to subscribe to our channel if you haven't already, so you don't miss out on any of our new content. Whether it's from tree branches, little door dings, or just swirl patterns in the clear coat, a vehicle's finish can wind up with small scratches and scuffs. We've got a number of products for these situations. And today I'll be giving some tips on how to take these blemishes out so your paint can look like new again. Keep in mind, if the scratch goes all the way through the paint, no amount of polishing is going to restore it. So if you have any deep scratches or you're just not completely comfortable doing this yourself, we'd be happy to recommend a professional detailer in your area. For smaller scuffs or swirl patterns that require less attention, we recommend a scratch removal product like Turtle Wax Scratch Repair and Renew for a quick fix. Start by cleaning the surface where the compound will be used. Apply a small amount of the Turtle Wax Scratch Repair and Renew to a clean applicator pad or a microfiber cloth. Rub the compound over the scratch in light circular motions, being careful not to apply too much pressure. Continue until the compound is completely rubbed into the surface. If your repair appears hazy, use a dry microfiber cloth to buff it out. If the scratch isn't completely removed, a second application may be necessary, but be careful. Compounding or polishing a vehicle takes off small amounts of clear coat, and with enough time you can go all the way through the coating. For larger blemishes that require more attention, we recommend using Meguiar's Ultimate Compound and Meguiar's Polish for a complete fix. Again, keep in mind, if the scratch is all the way through the paint, no amount of compounding will fix it. Scratches that go through the car's finish should be touched up with paint to avoid rust from forming. Compounding over a scratch that is down to bare metal may inhibit rust to a degree, but will also make it more difficult for paint to stick to it later. Make sure the surface is clean where the compound will be used. You can use masking tape to keep trim or other areas close by from getting compound on them. Apply a small amount of Meguiar's Ultimate Compound to an applicator pad or a microfiber cloth. Lightly spread the compound in circular motion around the scratch. Once the compound is spread out, begin to rub it in with circular motions, steadily applying more pressure. Once you begin to feel resistance, check the scratch. If it doesn't look adequately repaired, apply a bit more compound and continue. Wait for the compound to dry, then use a fresh microfiber cloth to buff the area clean. Apply a small amount of the Meguiar's polish to a clean applicator pad. Begin lightly polishing in a circular motion over the area where the scratch used to be. Repeat this process with more polish as needed until the area regains its luster and the scratch is no longer visible. Buff it out one last time with a clean microfiber cloth. And that's it. You'll find everything that you need for this and other jobs at your local O'Reilly Auto Parts store or O'ReillyAuto.com. Our DIY videos are designed to help answer questions we get in our stores every day. If you found this one helpful, subscribe to our channel to get all the latest. We'll see you again soon.